In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to screen record on the new iPhone 16, which we have right here. Now, it's pretty easy to do. There's currently only one method to actually screen record, and it's actually built into the iPhone itself. So what you do to screen record is you swipe down from the top right hand corner, and you'll be brought to this panel like so. Now, once you're on this panel, all you want to do is you actually just want to click on the plus icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Click on the plus icon. I completely missed, but you click on it and it'll bring you to this panel like so, where you can actually add a control. We want to add screen recording. Click on add a control in the bottom here, and you want to search for the word screen recording. When you type in screen recording, you can see it's called right here. You just want to click on screen recording right here, click on it, and it will actually be added to your screen recording widgets right here. So we swipe up to get rid of that. And to actually use this feature, we just want to hold down on screen recording option, which is this little button dot right here. Click on it, and you can actually turn on your microphone just by clicking on this microphone option here. Or you don't have to. It can do everything without a microphone, and you can actually hear music or the audio from games or wherever you're recording, just like so. So if you just turn on your microphone or not, click on start recording. In 3 seconds at the top in the dynamic island, it will give you a countdown on its screen recording. And to actually see the screen recording, you click on this up here, and as you can see, it is screen recording like so. And to actually get rid of this option, to stop it, you just click on it again, or you can swipe down, click on the button to stop it. You can just click on this dynamic island, click on stop, and it will stop the screen recording like so. And yeah, that'll be saved to photos, easy to do is fast.